We're out in the woods.
That's actually the first time I've been back in that.
Having adventures. Zeke just got stuck in the creek, and he's getting ready to go back down there. Don't go back down there, Zeke. Here, let me show you where he just got stuck. He got stuck down here in the creek and was doing his howling bit and couldn't get out. So, but romping in the woods. Where are the other dogs? There goes.
Missing Odie.
Oh,
There's Odie.
there's Odie.
There she is.
Here's Odie. Here's the puppy. There's Freya.
Now, when I moved in, this back here, it had stuff that was probably this tall.
Wow.
And I used that my mower thing that I got the brush cutter and cut all this. Took me
But
a
it's
couple
nice
days.
that you left so much woods. I mean, as far as you can see is just like the woods, trees and the property. So we're in the back, in the
this
wooded
stuff is-
area.
I'm not sure what this stuff is, but it gets like 8 feet tall.
This
that
green
stuff?
stuff?
Yep.
My goodness.
So I just keep cutting it.
I wonder what kind of weed it is. There the boys are. So we have 4 boys and 1 girl. And that girl, the white one,
Hit. Hit.
hip,
Hit.
hip. Good boys, good girl. There go the twins. And of course the 2 little ones, Zeke and the puppy. Here comes Zeke.
Hendall.
Hendo, here comes the puppy. Here's the baby. And there's the puppy. Here's the puppy. There's the puppy. Oh, don't jump on me, you're dirty. You're all wet. Are you wet? They all got in the creek, and the only one that couldn't get out was Zeke, because he's got the shortest legs. Even the puppy could get out.
Across that? I didn't see him come across. Did he come up here?
No.
He must come up here with the rest of them.
Yeah, I think he came up with the rest. And this is my friend Chuck. This is Missy's husband. Say hey, Chuck.
Hey.
And Chuck is a vet, Navy vet, and a retired firefighter
And paramedic.
and paramedic. And now he does top secret stuff for the government. Oh, alrighty. So, adventure in the woods. The dogs are pretty good. They're obedient. That's a wrap. There's 3 of them. Here comes the 4th one. And Dookie boy, the big one, staying by his daddy.
Yep, he's always close by, aren't you?
Yep, always close by. How old is Duke?
He'll be 5 in April.
5. Duke! Doop, doop. Doop, 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 doop. Okay.